Guys, today we're gonna be opening toys. Like, not opening toys, but playing with them and showing you them. Yeah, let's just... I'm Cannon. I'm Haley. This is our first video. We're gonna show you our favorite thing to play with. Our fidget spinners! Woo! Fidget spinners. So we like these, and then like they can spin around like fast. These are my colors. Mine is Minecraft. Mine's Minecraft. Mine's Galaxy. So here's one of my cars. Okay, no. Yeah. Keep spinning our fidget spinners. Mine spins really fast. Mine spins really, really fast. Ow! Ow, that hurt. Okay, now we need to put that away. Now we can get our other toy. I got a monster truck. I have a dog that I got today. Mine. At all, her shoes can come halfway off. Wait, they can come halfway off? No, they can only. Yeah, her shirt can come off like flip around like this. She has curls. You can swing like this. Curls in her hair. And he landed on his wheels. Here's a monster truck. His wheels are pretty fast. That's what she looks like. Hi. Hi. Wait. On. Hey, stop it. Hey, stop it. Give me my toy. Give me my toy. So, okay. Now we can get our other toy. I want to get I got a num-num. So this num-num comes with a checklist. I don't know their names, but we're going to get our names. Here is Ted. She's pink, and she smells good. That's what she looks like. And this is a lip gloss. So let me get it open. But that's lip gloss, and that's what the lip gloss looks like. And this is pink and brown. See, it's text. So I'm going to find their name. Here is this person. Here, see? Here's the checklist. This is the glow in dark, and this is the lip gloss. So we need to look on this side. So I found this pink one. This pink one's named Bee Berry Mellow. So her name's Bee Berry Mellow. And she's a marshmallow nose. And her name is this guy, Bee Berry Mellow. I like her. Here I wish I had Becky Banana. So that's her. And this lip gloss is called the 2 flavored gloss up noms. And her name is Choco S'mores Gloss Up, and yeah, that's all. And she's a 2 flavored gloss up. And here's the last look at the lip gloss and what color she is, and the pink one. That's what they look like. And now. I gotta put this away, and also there's all the num-nums that you can get. And on the other side, and the glowing, that's all the num-nums that are on our side. And these are the light up nums. Those are all the ones that you can get on the light up nums. This is the one I wish I had. Hold on, wait. This is the one I wish I had. So let me put that checklist away. Oh, I got the walkie-talkie. Yep, he has a walkie-talkie, and I have this cupcake. Hold on. This cupcake. There's a cupcake, and it comes with a brush. Stop. It comes with a brush, and so if you do so then car. No, Ken, let me show them. So Ken, you want to? Ken, stop. You have to show them your walkie. So you go. Stop, Ken. I gotta show them first. So this is what it looks like. It's a cupcake. It's like a cupcake doll. That's what she looks like. And this is supposed to go on her. Mommy's telling me something. And that's what she looks like. So here's the walkie-talkie. See, you press this button while you talk. See through it. See? Hello, hello, and then it comes downstairs. So that was my cupcake doll, and that was his walkie-talkie. So I already showed all my stuff. So Cannon already showed all his stuff. So I'm going to show you my last two things. I have two Shopkin stuffies. Her Cookie, and I don't know her name. Tell me in the comments if you know her name. And these are the two Shopkins. They're so cute. I love these Shopkins. These are super cute Shopkins. Yeah, and they go on my bed, and I love them so much. So now we have to say, now we have to say bye. So bye guys. See you on our next video. Bye. Bye. See you on our next video.